Hello YouTubers. If you've ever gotten the cable tangled up on your Harbor Freight winch, especially if it's gotten between the drive gear and the spool, you're going to have to take the spool off to do the untangling and then reassemble it. In order to do this, to get the spool off, remove two 5/32 flathead Allen screws from underneath the winch. Once they come off, you can unplug the spool from the drive gears, which is connected by a spline. Take that spool off, get your cable untangled, clean it up, put it back together with the two screws, and you should be good to go. Good luck with your repair.